What's up, everyone? It's Ian with Pro Cycle Repair. We got our 2004 Honda CRF250. We're doing some more maintenance on it. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the transmission fluid. The bike is already empty because I still haven't started it yet, but I'm going to show you guys how to drain it, how to properly fill it, what to use. Let's take a look. All right, so some of the tools I'm going to be using. The drain plug is a 12 millimeter. The check plug is a 10 millimeter hex, which I have on a 3/8 socket. And then I'm using 85 Honda transmission oil. Let's get started. We're gonna come to the left side of the bike, and the drain plug is right behind the shifter right there. That's our 12 millimeter that we're gonna remove to remove the oil. Over on the right side, we have two fills. We have one right here, and this is our check plug. So once the oil starts coming out of this, then that is completely full. Some people fill it from there, some people fill it from there. I'm just gonna fill it from the top plug until I start seeing oil come out of this. I'm gonna put a drain pan right underneath this, so that way any excess oil comes out, it'll drain into that. Okay, I got our check plug right here, our fill plug right here. I got the bottle cut right here, and I'm gonna start pouring in. Okay, I've been pouring it through, almost through the quart, and we got oil coming through and dripping out. So it's time to put the plug back in. All right, so once you put the fill plug back in and the check plug, that's it. We'll start her up, and I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Always, again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. It really means a lot. I enjoy making these for you guys. See you guys next time.